How can I be sure I'll get customers? The best way to find out if your blasting business will be successful is to find potential customers in your area before ordering your machine. This means contacting people around you who might need something restored, bringing awareness to the service you offer, and networking with businesses or local municipalities. Our most confident business owners already have jobs lined up when they come to pick up their machines. We also offer marketing packages that help give you an online presence and reach thousands of people in your area through targeted ads and social media campaigns. Why do I need to research? Knowing the needs of your area can be a huge advantage. For example, if you live near a large body of water, you should call the marinas and build a relationship with them because they will most likely know of people needing your services. Or if you live in a rural area, contact your local farmers and see if they need their heavy machinery restored. This also gets you familiar with networking within your community, as well as making you aware of any additional applications you might not have thought of. Researching the needs in your area means you'll know who to call when you're looking for customers. It can also help you decide which machine is best for you. Which machine is right for me? Knowing what kind of jobs you'll take on will help determine what machine you'll need. All of our equipment is capable of the same process, but some machines are bigger and better suited for large-scale commercial or industrial work. The bigger trailers have longer runtime and are paired with a more powerful compressor, which will save you time and increase productivity. Another thing to keep in mind when making your selection is, do you have a personal vehicle that is capable of pulling the weight of the desired trailer? If not, our DB500 GT series might be the best option for you. What should I expect when I first start out? Be prepared to start promoting your business even before you pick up your machine. You can gain additional exposure by joining local groups that keep you connected with residents and other business owners. Having an online presence is key, and we're happy to help you out with getting that started. Start with your passion. What are you already knowledgeable about? How can you educate potential customers on the efficiency of your service compared to others? And remember, it takes time to build a customer base, as well as making your community aware of who you are and what you can offer. So be patient and consistent, because the work is out there. Visit dustlessblasting.com to learn more.